The definition of engineering, according to Merriam-Webster, is the work of designing and creating large structures, such as roads and bridges, or new products or systems by using scientific methods. According to dictionary.com, engineering is defined as the art or science of making practical application of the knowledge of pure sciences, such as physics or chemistry, as in the construction of engines, bridges, buildings, mines, ships, and chemical plants. Most definitions of engineering have some phrases in common, such as math, science, designing, and innovation. Engineers use these principles of math and science to make things to move the world forward.
Conceptions of engineering. Engineering is a male-dominant field, and it is only for smart people. Engineering is boring, and engineers model everything. Engineers are incapable of social communication.
Not only do engineers rank among the highest paid for a 4-year degree, but they can also use that degree to create many wonderful things. For example, engineers have designed roller coasters and even snowboards. Computer engineers were also involved in the creation of special effects for the movie Jurassic Park.
Growing up, witnessing my mother establishing her own properties construction company with a Purdue engineering education makes Purdue engineering a very clear choice to me. I'm always amazed by the different kinds of engineering properties design made possible through engineering.
Hi, I decided to join engineering because I love both math and science, and I wanted to be able to use critical thinking skills to help solve the world's environmental issues.
I'm Ross DeRider. I decided to join engineering because I liked math and science growing up, and I really wanted to use those skills to make a difference in the world. And I saw that engineering, that's what they do here. You make things, move the world forward, and make an impact on the world around you.
Hi, my name is Sibi Chandrasekhar and I'm an engineering student at Purdue. The reason I joined engineering is because it helps me work on my skills in math and physics, and I basically like the sciences, and I also like solving problems, and I want to be able to contribute to my community by coming up with solutions to real problems.
Industrial engineering is a broad field, encompassing everything from roller coasters to factories. Not only do they try to improve the quality and productivity of these systems, they also attempt to reduce the environmental impact of many of these processes. Biomedical engineers work to apply engineering concepts to medicine and healthcare. Due to improper e-waste disposal, many people are suffering harm to biological systems. Biomedical engineers are currently working to help reduce this issue. Aerospace engineering is a field that is concerned with the development of aircraft and spacecraft. They also work to reduce space debris and try to create more environmentally friendly aircrafts. Chemical engineers apply chemistry to many different manufacturing processes, work in everything from food to the creation of power plants. To help the environment, chemical engineers are working on ways to reduce factory pollution.
Engineering makes some of the world's most unique and artistic skyscrapers in the world possible. Electric cars, wind turbines, and solar panels are all developed by engineers.
As an engineer, you can become part of the journey of killing the world's biggest infections. What career is more rewarding than becoming a superhero to rescue the Earth? As an engineer, you can be the cause of people shouting at the top of their voices. So who wouldn't want to be an engineer? Come be an engineer. Engineers are behind almost everything we see, including this classroom and the chairs you're sitting in right now.
And you won't see the coolest selfie pictures on Facebook without engineers. Becoming an engineer means you will play a part in making the world a much exciting place for you and me. Finally, you get to say this. Trust me, I am an engineer.
So what are the benefits of being an engineer? Firstly, engineers work on projects of great significance, from developing new electronics to improving the city skyline. Secondly, engineers have a lot of choices. They can work on everything from medicine and the environment to cars and buildings. Engineers are creative. They have to be creative to come up with solutions to problems. If you enjoy a challenge and solving problems, then engineering gives you the chance to do this to a degree that few other professions do. Engineers are always learning and getting better at what they do. It is a profession where you always need to keep learning in order to stay on the cutting edge of research, technology, and information